Imagine a machine that can decode your thoughts into words or images. It's no longer science fiction. AI is making it happen. But before you imagine telepathy or mind control, let's be clear. We're talking about decoding brain activity, not reading minds like an open book. Think of it as translating the electrical signals of your neurons into something we can understand. This is a huge leap forward in neuroscience and artificial intelligence. It's opening up incredible possibilities for the future, but also raising some big questions about privacy and ethics. We're on the verge of a world where our thoughts could be accessed, interpreted, and even manipulated. How do we navigate this new frontier responsibly? Our brains are constantly buzzing with electrical activity. Every thought, feeling, and sensation is a symphony of neurons firing. Scientists have been trying to decipher this complex language for decades. Two main techniques have emerged: fMRI and EEG. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, uses powerful magnets to track blood flow in the brain. Increased blood flow indicates higher neural activity. It's like watching a city light up with activity from space. Electroencephalography, or EEG, on the other hand, uses sensors placed on the scalp to pick up the electrical signals directly. This is more like listening to the city's chatter from the streets. Neither method is perfect. fMRI is slow but provides detailed spatial resolution. EEG is fast but offers less precise location information. Both generate massive amounts of complex data. That's where AI comes in. Enter machine learning, a type of AI that excels at pattern recognition in huge datasets. Researchers train algorithms on brain activity recordings paired with corresponding thoughts, images, or words. The AI learns to associate specific patterns of brain activity with specific outputs. This is like teaching a computer to understand a new language. By analyzing enough examples, the AI learns to translate brain signals into something meaningful. The results are still rudimentary, but progress is happening fast. We're starting to see AI systems that can decode basic thoughts, images, and even dreams with surprising accuracy. At the University of Texas at Austin, researchers have used AI to translate brain activity into continuous sentences. Imagine someone who's lost the ability to speak, being able to communicate their thoughts just by thinking. Meta, which you might know as Facebook, is developing technology to decode speech directly from brainwaves. This could totally revolutionize how we interact with computers and each other. Companies like Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk and Synchron, are working on brain implants that could allow paralyzed individuals to control devices with their thoughts. These implants could also potentially restore lost senses or even enhance existing ones. The possibilities here are both exhilarating and, honestly, a bit daunting. Before we get too carried away, it's important to acknowledge the limitations. Current technology requires extensive training on each individual. The brain is incredibly complex, and everyone's neural patterns are unique. This means that a system trained on one person's brain activity won't necessarily work on another's. Additionally, the hardware required is expensive and often bulky. fMRI machines are huge and costly, while EEG caps require careful placement of electrodes. And even the most advanced systems can't decode every kind of thought. We're still a long way from reading minds like an open book. The ethical implications of this technology are, honestly, quite profound. The ability to decode thoughts raises serious concerns about mental privacy. Imagine a world where your thoughts could be accessed without your consent. This could have chilling consequences for freedom of thought and expression. Informed consent is absolutely paramount. People need to be fully aware of the risks and benefits before participating in any kind of brain-computer interface research or application. We really need clear guidelines and regulations to prevent the misuse of this technology. Despite the challenges and ethical dilemmas, the future of mind-reading technology is full of potential. Imagine being able to communicate with loved ones who have lost the ability to speak or move. Think of the possibilities for treating mental health conditions like depression and anxiety by understanding the underlying neural activity. And yes, the possibility of telepathy-like communication, even if it's quite rudimentary, is no longer just pure science fiction. We're entering a new era of understanding the human brain, and the possibilities are both exciting and, well, a bit unsettling. It's really up to us to ensure that this technology is used responsibly and ethically for the benefit of all humankind. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating tech stories. Would you trust a machine to read your mind? Let us know in the comments below.